Welcome and congratulations. You have received a letter indicating your child is or may be a candidate for the 6th grade Accelerated Math Pathway. So, what exactly is the Accelerated Math Pathway? This pathway is for students who show a high propensity for advanced math skills and understandings and who are able to apply those skills in the classroom setting. This pathway moves at a faster pace as students increase the depth of the knowledge in math. The chart on this slide gives you an overview of what the difference is between the regular middle school and high school math coursework and the coursework for the Accelerated Math Pathway for middle school and high school. In the Accelerated Math Pathway for middle school, 6th graders cover all of the 6th grade math standards and the first semester of the 7th grade math standards. In 7th grade, students cover the second semester of the 7th grade math standards and all of the 8th grade math standards. This sets up these highly capable math students to take the high school coordinate algebra course Math 381, 382 as 8th graders. Please pause the video and take a few moments to look over the chart to familiarize yourself with the math pathway progression from middle school through high school. What will your child cover in 6th grade Accelerated Math? They will cover all of the 6th grade math standards and the first semester of the 7th grade math that covers rational number operations, statistics and inference, and probability. The chart on this slide is the curriculum map for the 6th grade Accelerated Math curriculum and the standards that are covered during the year. A description of the standards covered during the course can be found on the Columbia County Board of Education website, www.ccboe.net, under the 6th through 8th grade curriculum on the Academics tab. What was the criteria that determined my child's suitability for the Accelerated Math track? We looked at 3 factors from the elementary school scores: 4th grade math Georgia milestone scores, the 5th grade math grade average, and the 5th grade post-unit assessment average. To be considered eligible for this math course pathway, students needed to score at the determined levels for each of the 3 criteria reviewed. If you received a letter indicating your child met 2 out of the 3 categories, we determined that your child may be a good candidate for the Accelerated Math class and will allow you, his or her parent, to make the final determination based on your greater knowledge of your child. The letter identified the criteria that your child did meet in the process of selection to help you make a decision on whether to allow your child to begin on the Accelerated Pathway. To help you make the best choice, it is important to know and understand what is expected of students in this math course. All of our math teachers have high expectations of their students who are enrolled in this Accelerated Pathway. Students are expected to consistently complete all assignments, projects, and homework, as well as being positively engaged in the learning process. If students have difficulty meeting and maintaining these high standards, it may be recommended that they be rescheduled in a regular 6th grade math class. What benefits will my child have in taking advantage of this opportunity now? The Accelerated Math track provides a more rigorous learning path that will open up more opportunities in course selection as your child enters the 12th grade in high school. At this time, your child is already making the transition to middle school, and by choosing a more rigorous coursework, students are able to more easily adjust to the added rigor than if they move up at a later time. Because we have to begin the process of scheduling for 2017-2018 school year, we will automatically schedule your child for the Accelerated Pathway if you received a letter. All students scheduled for the pathway must have a signed acknowledgement form on file. If we do not receive a signed form at the time of the meeting, the 6th grade accelerated math teacher will be sending home a form to sign at the beginning of the year to those students who have not turned in a signed form prior to the beginning of school. If you do not want your child scheduled for the more rigorous academically challenging pathway, now is the time to contact us with your wishes. If your child finds himself or herself struggling in their coursework at any time during the year, an adjustment can be made in their schedule if necessary. If a change is made, it will also mean a change in academic teams. Remember, if you decide to start middle school in the less rigorous math pathway and decide later to move your child up, it does take more effort on the student's part if a move to the more rigorous accelerated math pathway is made later in the 6th grade or as a 7th grader. An available class position may also be a problematic factor. Remember, it is easier to get on the train when it is not yet moving rather than trying to jump on it as it is speeding down the track. There are also highly qualified and trained gifted certified teachers who provide your child with ongoing support throughout the year. Students in this math track are also part of the Columbia Middle 6th grade STEM team and will work on integrated math and science activities during the year. And finally, the ultimate goal of Columbia County is to offer our students who show talent in math another pathway that will provide them with challenging opportunities for growth in mathematical reasoning and application. If you have any questions concerning the accelerated math pathway or the differences between the regular 6th grade course and the 6th grade accelerated course, please contact the Columbia Middle School Guidance Department at 706-541-1252, extensions 3021 or 3022. You may also email the counselors Janet Niehoff or Hope Stewart. Thank you for taking the time to review this information about the 6th grade accelerated math pathway and what it could mean for your child's academic learning and success. We are here for both you and your child, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call.